Let us discuss about classification of force. Forces can act on a body from a distance or by being in contact with it. Depending on this, forces can be classified as contact and non-contact forces. Let's begin with contact forces. Forces that arise when the objects are in direct or indirect physical contact with each other are called the contact forces. There are two types of contact forces. First, muscular force, and second, frictional force. A force that requires the action of muscles of our body is called a muscular force. So, the activities such as pushing, pulling, throwing, kicking, lifting, running, jumping, or bending our body are examples of muscular force. While applying a muscular force on an object, our body has to be in direct or indirect contact with it. So, muscular force is a contact force. Animals also use the muscular force to move around, carry people, or pull load. Now, second, frictional force. Friction is a force that slows things down or prevents things from moving. Frictional force or friction is the opposing force that arises when a body slides over another body. Friction acts at the surface in contact. For example, when a ball is rolled on the ground, after a certain interval of time, it comes to rest. We generally perceive that the ball comes to rest by itself, but actually there is a force applied by the ground which acts on the ball in the direction opposite to its motion. It makes the ball stop after a certain interval of time. In general, friction reduces the speed of the moving object. You will study more about frictional force in the next chapter.